Step number 17 is setting the baseline. Now that we've gone through and we developed the entire baseline schedule, we've compressed it multiple different times. We have logic, we have the scope inclusive, we've created a work breakdown structure, and we've done a specifications review and done a final review where we go through the entire logic and we look for flaws we have on it. Now we're ready to establish that baseline schedule, what we're going to compare against. And this is a really easy step in the software, but you have to understand what it's doing. It's essentially just taking a picture of the schedule at one point, the baseline, and it's saying this is what we plan to do, so it can compare it in the future. To go ahead and set the baseline, it's relatively easy. You just pretty much go to project, set baseline, set the baseline, and it's good. It's going to ask you, do you want to set the baseline? This is the baseline schedule for the entire project, and you hit OK. And it really didn't do anything. It just blinked. And the reason it just blinked is it just basically said, okay, it's done. It's now been established. The baseline schedule is now done. It's ready to be updated at this point. You have to set your baseline before you do your first schedule update. So a baseline should not be set with any kind of actual dates in there. So there shouldn't be an actual start, an actual finish. There shouldn't be any cost are incurred in the schedule. This is the baseline schedule. No cost, no actuals whatsoever. It has costs in there, no actual cost. So no actual costs, no actual dates, no actual durations. These are all just estimates based on the planning that we have done. You cannot set the baseline until you've done every step 1 through 16 and are comfortable where you're at. If you accidentally set your baseline and then realize you made a mistake, you can just simply go to set your baseline and just hit clear baseline. And that asks you, do you want to clear all the baseline from the last time it was set? You can hit OK. And it's just simple as that. So, but before you move on to step 18, where you develop a narrative and develop a schedule update, you want to completely have the project schedule done.